Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you instructions on how to use a Gua Sha tool. To know how to use it, continue watching. Before I get started with the Gua Sha tool, I'm going to be using this Vitamin C Beauty, and this is a skin toning serum. So I'm just getting a little bit in the applicator and putting this on my forehead, cheeks, and chin. And I'm just going to lightly blend this in because the Gua Sha tool is going to help penetrate it into my skin. So once that is lightly blended into my skin, I'm going to grab the long section of the Gua Sha tool and I'm just going to focus on my cheeks area and do this 10 times each on either side of my face in upward strokes. And once that is done, I'm going to move to the other side of my face, and that is how to do the lower part of your face with the Gua Sha tool. Next, I'm going to focus on my chin area, and I'm going to grab the Gua Sha tool like this, so the small section is sticking up, and you're going to place it on the middle of your chin and go along your jawline. And then just do this 10 times each on either side. And that is how you focus the tool on your chin area. Now to focus on my neck area, I'm going to be using the long section of the Gua Sha tool again, and I'm just going to go along my neck like so. This helps with drainage. And just do this 10 times each on each side of your neck. Now flip your Gua Sha tool upside down, and I call this the butt of the tool, and you're going to focus this underneath your eye area and then do this 10 times each, so the pressure is just right there underneath your eye. And once that is done, work on the other side. Now you're going to use the curved side of the Gua Sha tool, and I'm going to start in the middle section of my forehead and just add a little bit of pressure to do my forehead. And once that is done with 10 times each, that is how you focus the Gua Sha tool on your forehead. Now those are the instructions on how to use the Gua Sha tool on your face. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Until next time, bye guys.